Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to move fast and go stealth in gameplay. So if your playstyle is move faster, move uh, or your favorite playstyle is hide and seek and also undetected, you can using this combinations perks. So what you need to do is click your loadout. So this is my loadout. So these are my combination perk. If I'm going move fast and go stealth undetected. So the first one is skulker perks. If you can see, I can move 20% faster when walking and crouching. So it benefits me to move faster point to point, makes my character agile. So and the second one is ghost. So if you use this perk, enemy UAV cannot reveal your position, and some score streak will not detect your position. So this is very useful if you are like to going stealth. And the last one is dead silence. So your when you are move or when you're walking, crouching, or going prone, you are going to be you are gonna be silent. So the sound spread distance become shorter while sprinting. So try this combination if you are going to stealth or close quarter combat, like a ghost and very agile. So thanks for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.